Want to make sure your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 touchscreen works perfectly? There's a quick way to test it right from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra using the device care menu. Here's how to check the touchscreen function of your Watch 6. First, head into Setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under Additional Care section, tap Diagnostics. Tap Watch Diagnostics. Next, tap the touchscreen icon to start checking. As you can see, you will see the cycles on your watch screen. You need to swipe your finger carefully around all the circles provided on the watch until each one changes colors. Once you finish, your phone will tell you if the touchscreen is working well. If everything is fine, the result will show as normal. Given to the function, testing your watch touchscreen can help you find any touch issues early so you can fix them or get support if needed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please hit to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.